Which of the following is not a fundamental duty of the Indian citizens? Mandatory national service of 5 years. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution contains fundamental duties? (51A). Which of the following is not a feature of the Constitution of India? Dual citizenship. Articles 52 to 78 and Part 5 of the Indian Constitution deal with Union Executive. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution deals with the Parliament and its proceedings? Articles 79 to 122. Which of the following is not a fundamental duty? To prohibit trade in rare and endangered species. Which of the following features of the Indian Constitution was borrowed from Irish Constitution? Directive Principles of State Policy. On which of the following dates does India celebrate its Constitution Day? November 26. How many members are nominated by the President to the Rajya Sabha? 12. Which of the following are enumerated in Part 4 of the Indian Constitution, from Articles 36 to 51? Directive Principles of State Policy. Which of the following is mentioned in Article 1 of the Indian Constitution? India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. The Indian Constitution has established independent judicial system. The oath of office to the Vice President is administered by the President. Which fundamental duty applies on you when you see a few school students on their educational trip to Humayun's tomb, writing their names on the walls? To safeguard public property. Which article deals with the election of the President? Article 54. Which fundamental duty applies to you when you see your college friends start fighting with the canteen person when he passed a few anti-religious statements? To promote harmony and spirit of brotherhood. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution mentions about the organization of village panchayats? Article 40. Which of the following statements is correct with respect to the political parties in India? India has a multi-party system classified as national, state or regional level. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution cannot be suspended even during an emergency declared on the grounds of war or external aggression? Articles 20 and 21st. Part 4A of the Indian Constitution was inserted in the Indian Constitution through which Constitutional Amendment Act? (42nd). Which part of the Constitution deals with the panchayats? 9. Which of the following articles from Directive Principles of State Policy mentions about organization of village panchayats? Article 40. Which of the following states is one of those states that have no Panchayati Raj institution at all? Nagaland. Which of the following statements is incorrect regarding fundamental rights? Fundamental rights are derived from the Britain Constitution. As per Article 123, the ordinance-making power is the most important legislative power of President. Answer in comment section. Which article mentions the Controller and Auditor General of India? Please like the video. For more such videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Thank you.